With vision that inspires and dedication that elevates every step we take, I warmly invite our respected headmistress, Mrs. Julie Chanko, to present the annual report. Ma'am, please.
Respected fathers, esteemed dignitaries, dear parents, teachers, and my dear children, a very warm and pleasant evening to one and all. It gives me immense joy to stand before you and present the annual report of Jeeves Kindergarten for the academic year 2025-26, a year filled with learning, celebrations, achievements, and countless cherished memories. As we reflect on the year gone by, our hearts are filled with gratitude for the abundant blessings that the Almighty has bestowed upon our kindergarten. His grace has guided every step we took, strengthened us through challenges, and inspired us to move forward with purpose and joy. We are proud to present our dedicated and dynamic management team who have played a pivotal role in steering Rajagiri Jeeves CMI School towards success during the academic year 2025-26. This year holds a special place in the history of our institution as we celebrate 200 glorious years of the CMI legacy, a milestone that stands as a testament to faith, commitment, and tireless service. The academic year was observed as the CMI Year of Education, dedicated to deepening our mission of value-based learning, holistic development, and the inspiring educational vision of the CMI congregation. Guided by these principles, every initiative we undertook this year was rooted in compassion, excellence, and a deep sense of purpose. I now proceed to present a concise overview of the significant milestones, initiatives, and achievements that characterized this academic year. CMI Bicentennial Celebration. The CMI Bicentennial was inaugurated at Mananam Kunnil on 11th May 2025, heralding the celebration of 2 centuries of unwavering service, mission, and excellence. The Jeeves family proudly participated in the inaugural ceremony of the CMI Year of Education, an inspiring beginning to this year-long celebration. As part of the bicentennial observance, the management organized a warm and memorable family gathering, Jeeves Kudumba Sangamam. We were honored to have Reverend Father Benny Nalkara CMI, Provincial, as the chief guest. During the gathering, teachers and churches who completed 15 years of a dedicated service were honored with special gifts, a heartfelt gesture of gratitude for their commitment. The event concluded with a wonderful dinner, strengthening our bonds as a CMI family. Our kindergarten and LP teachers also attended the grand 200-year celebration at Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, Kakanad, on 25th October, and proudly presented a vibrant Garba Kathak fusion performance, adding color and grace to the cultural events. Our kindergarten, a home of joyful learning. At Jeeves Kindergarten, we strive to create a nurturing environment where curiosity blooms, empathy grows, and imagination thrives. We remain grateful for God's benevolence that guides every step of our young learners' journey. Currently, our kindergarten is home to around 300 children, supported by 21 dedicated teachers, 2 administrative staff, and 9 supporting staff. For the convenience of working parents, our pre-KG stay-back facility till 3:15 p.m. ensures a safe and engaging environment after school hours. Infrastructure and facilities. We take pride in providing a modern, student-friendly learning environment, air-conditioned smart classrooms with updated learning tools, a fully equipped air-conditioned auditorium with an LED screen, modern training facilities, beautiful green spaces, well-maintained play areas, and a serene water feature. One of the children's most anticipated experiences is the Jeeva's Splash Pool. Beginning this January, our LKG and UKG children will once again enjoy their refreshing pool sessions filled with giggles, excitement, and unforgettable memories. Our cherished bird sanctuary, Jeeva's Buddies, continues to inspire compassion and responsibility as children observe and care for various bird species. Our indoor recreational arena, Joe World, remains a favorite, helping our little ones develop essential psychomotor skills in a fun, safe setting. This year, we also enhanced our transport facilities with 2 new buses added to the school fleet. Initiation ceremony. An initiation ceremony marks the gentle beginning of a child's educational journey where curiosity meets guidance. The UKG academic year was formally inaugurated on 2nd June 2025. The ceremony was graciously led by Reverend Father Tosi Negrathil, CMI, and was conducted as a meaningful and integrated program. The LKG initiation ceremony took place on 9th June with Reverend Father Shaji Puthenparikal, CMI, Director of Star Jesus Higher Secondary School, Kadugutti, as the esteemed chief guest. The pre-kindergarten children were welcomed through a prayerful initiation service on 11th June 2025. The ceremony was blessed by Reverend Father Divin Mangalatha, CMI, Director of Kripa, in the gracious presence of Reverend Father Anthony and Reverend Father Tosi. Academics. Our academic journey this year has been rich with meaningful learning experiences. At Jeeva's, we focus on nurturing confident, well-rounded children who reflect the values and standards of our institution. Each day begins with a vibrant, theme-based morning assembly that includes general awareness sessions, stories, exercises, role plays, skits, hymns, and rhymes, setting a positive and purposeful tone for learning. Our curriculum is thoughtfully designed by our own teaching team, blending academics, moral values, and co-curricular activities. Field trips and hands-on experiences further enrich classroom learning. Equipped with modern census boards, our LKG and UKG classrooms promote visual learning and active participation, while regular outdoor activities support both physical development and cognitive growth. Orientation program for teachers. At Jeeva's, we believe that effective teaching begins with continuous learning. To stay updated with modern educational practices, our teachers actively participated in a series of orientation and training programs. On 26th May, a CMI orientation program was led by Reverend Father Sunny Punnali Parambil, CMI, who inspired our teachers to nurture value-based, well-rounded individuals in the spirit of Saint Chavara. This was followed by a chart-making training session on 27th May by Jidin Sir, enhancing creative teaching methods. On 28th May, Mr. Praveen Naske conducted an engaging session on counseling and leadership skills. On 29th May, Mr. John Augustine and Sister Shaija SD guided our faculty on effective strategies to support diverse learners, including Alpha Kids. These programs reaffirm our commitment to empowering our teachers to deliver quality and meaningful education. Orientation for parents and PTA General Body Meeting. Jeeva's Kindergarten conducted the parent orientation and PTA General Body Meeting on 5th July. The program began with an insightful session on child growth and development by Reverend Father Thompson Thekinath, CMI, Principal of Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Thevara. This was followed by the PTA General Body Meeting for the academic year 2025-26, during which 26 executive members were elected. Mr. Ranjit Kumar was elected as President and Mrs. Diya Dina Rajan was as Vice President. We sincerely thank our PTA for their constant support and valuable suggestions that strengthen our school community. Celebrations. At our school, we foster an atmosphere of warmth, respect, and togetherness. To promote unity and cultural awareness, we joyfully celebrate festivals such as Onam, Diwali, and Christmas through meaningful prayer services and vibrant programs. These celebrations add color, joy, and spirit to our school year. International Yoga Day. Our school celebrated Yoga Day on 25th June during the morning assembly in the kindergarten auditorium. The program featured a graceful yoga dance by our teachers, followed by active participation from students performing simple yoga postures. Freedom Fest. Freedom Fest was celebrated with great pride on Thursday, 14th August. The ceremony began with the hoisting of the national flag by our chief guest, Reverend Father Jeril Kurishingal, Assistant Vicar of St. Dominic's Church, Aluva, followed by the salute, a release of pigeons, and the singing of national anthem. The celebrations then continued in the KG auditorium, and the enthusiastic participation of our students made the event truly memorable and meaningful. Onam celebration. Our school joyfully celebrated Onam, Avani Thennal, on 26th August, graced by our chief guest, Reverend Father Rindil Mutamtotil CMI. The celebration showcased Kerala's rich cultural heritage through beautiful traditional performances, helping our children connect with their roots and experience the true spirit of Onam. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 9th September during the morning assembly in the kindergarten auditorium. The class 10 students of Central School organized a special program to honor our kindergarten teachers, and Reverend Father Tosi presented a token of appreciation to each teacher. 17th Annual Sports Day. Jeeves Kindergarten celebrated its 17th Annual Sports Day on 17th October 2025 at Jeeves Stadium. The event highlighted the teamwork, sportsmanship, and talents of our young learners. Mr. Delvin David, Station Officer, Kerala Fire and Rescue Services, Aluva, graced the occasion as the chief guest, making the celebration truly memorable. Diwali celebration. Diwali, the festival of lights, was celebrated on Monday, 21st October, with great joy. The program included diya lighting, music, dance, fireworks, and sweets, spreading happiness and festive cheer among our students. Children's Day celebration. Children's Day was celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm at Jeeves Kindergarten. On 14 November, the LKG and UKG students enjoyed a fun-filled visit to Dream World Water Theme Park, creating moments of excitement and happiness. The pre-KG children celebrated Children's Day on 17th November with lively games and enjoyable activities, making the day truly special for our little ones. Colors Day. Pre-KG classes celebrated Colors Day with great enthusiasm, enjoying color-coordinated attire, vibrant decorations, fun games, and handmade gifts from their teachers. Celebration of special days. We joyfully celebrate birthdays and feast days of our management fathers, headmistress, staff, and students, honoring their contributions and fostering a sense of togetherness in our school community. Sense Station. On 10th October, our students enjoyed the interactive Sense Station, exploring all 5 senses with curiosity and delight. Their joyful participation made the event truly special, adding to a wonderful year of fun, learning, and exploration. Delightful Bites. On 24th November 2025, our UKG children hosted a lively food festival inspired by the Healthy Food Pyramid. Students enjoyed tasting nutritious and colorful dishes, learning the importance of healthy eating. Heartfelt thanks to our parents for making the event truly memorable. Christmas celebration. On 16 December, Jeeves KG joyfully welcomed Santa. Our little ones sang, danced, and chanted hymns, spreading the true spirit of Christmas. Father Tosi, headmistress, and teachers joined Santa, bringing laughter and cheer, followed by a delightful cake piece for all. Talent Time. Class-wise talent time competitions were held to nurture skills, confidence, and leadership. Our little stars enthusiastically participated in 26 events, showcasing their unique talents with joy and energy. Food fun activities. Our UKG children enjoyed a fun-filled sandwich party, exploring the concept of in-between through hands-on activities. Pre-KG and UKG also celebrated a colorful fruit salad party, learning the importance of healthy eating while having fun. Grandparents' Day. On February 14th, we joyfully celebrated Grandparents' Day, warmly welcoming grandparents with paper bouquets crafted by our UKG students. The day was filled with fun games, gifts for winners, and heartwarming moments that made the celebration truly special. Winners' Day. Winners' Day for the academic year 2024-25 was celebrated on 21st February with Reverend Father Saju Churikel OFM as our chief guest. The event honored our young achievers from pre-KG, LKG, and UKG for their outstanding performances in the Talent Time competitions. National Science Day. On 25th February, our EVS teachers conducted a special assembly to celebrate National Science Day, highlighting the discovery of the Raman effect by the renowned physicist Sir C.V. Raman. Staff Tour. From 27 February 2025, our kindergarten team enjoyed a refreshing two-day tour to King Flora Resort, Wayanad. The trip was filled with laughter, relaxation, and memorable moments that strengthened our team spirit. Fun Week. Ladies and gentlemen, GVS Kindergarten proudly hosted its first ever Fun Week from 17th to 21st March 2025, themed Shape. Each day was specially designed to inspire and engage all little learners. Spiritual Monday offered a calm retreat for LKG and UKG students, nurturing gratitude and mindfulness. Healthy Tuesday featured a free eye checkup for all UKG students and staff by Dr. Tony Fernandez Eye Hospital. Astronomical Wednesday sparked curiosity with a mobile planetarium and dream catcher crafting. Physical Thursday brought excitement with 9 energetic indoor games promoting teamwork. And Entertaining Friday concluded the week with a magical show and vibrant face painting by our talented teachers. Our students were grouped into 9 houses, fostering collaboration and spirit. It was indeed a week full of joy, learning, and unforgettable memories, marking a fun-filled ending to the academic year for every child at GVS Kindergarten. Farewell Party. Our last year's UKG students were given a warm and joyful farewell on Monday, 24th March 2025. The celebration was filled with music, dance, colorful outfits, and happy moments, making it a memorable send-off for our little stars. UKG Convocation, Samavarthana. The Samavarthana for our 2024-25 batch was held on 26th March, graciously presided by Reverend Father Alex Varapurakaran CMI as the chief guest. During this special event, our management presented certificates to the children, celebrating their growth, accomplishments, and an important milestone in their academic journey. External achievements. I'm proud to share that many of our GVS Kindergarten students have excelled in various external competitions, bringing pride and recognition to our school. Their achievements truly make GVS proud. Legacy of excellence and looking ahead. This academic year stands as a testament to the tireless efforts of our teachers, the active support of our parents, and the joyful spirit of our children. Together, we have upheld GVS' legacy of excellence in academics, values, creativity, and co-curricular achievements. As the year draws to a close, we sincerely thank you for your trust and encouragement. Our commitment to fostering excellence, creativity, and innovation remains unwavering, and we eagerly look forward to new initiatives that will help every child realize their fullest potential. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our management team, the manager, director, administrator, and principal for their visionary leadership and constant support. My sincere thanks also go to our dedicated teachers, non-teaching staff, students, parents, and well-wishers. Your belief in our mission and continuous encouragement inspire us to move forward with renewed enthusiasm. To our young stars, may the stage be your canvas and your performance a true masterpiece. Shine with confidence, enjoy every moment, and fill this evening with joy. Dear parents and friends, get ready to be enchanted as our children present Jeev Esperanza 2025-26. Enjoy the delightful program they have prepared with so much love, creativity, and excitement. Thank you. Wishing you all a blessed Christmas and a joyful New Year.